welcome back to our channel.
I'm Wells.
And I'm Maury.
And together we are Wells and Maury.
If you're new, welcome. We're so glad to have you.
And if you're old, welcome back.
So today, she's doing most of the video. She's doing a DIY. And I'm doing the voiceover for the DIY.
Yes.
She's going to be showing you 5 very easy and simple ways to tie your African print head wraps or headgear. Yes, basically that's it. Well, thank you. I should say thank you for watching because I'm going to be on the other side. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. But she's going to be here. She's going to be teaching you. So bye.
Alright, so for the first look, you need to arrange your hair and arrange it basically. So put it together into a bun, right, like that. Then you get your cloth and then you do some skirmishes like that, and then yes, you make sure it covers your entire head. Then you put both sides together like you're tying a knot. Then you combine the joint areas at the back of your head like that. Yes, like that. So this is look 1, appropriate for all events. Look 2 is just for the front of your head, I think. So you still need a bun and the same scarf, but you just do it like what she's doing. Then you roll it like that. Yes, and this is very simple for when your edges are bad and you're not in the mood to do any laying. You just, do this and you're out. So this is look 2, fun, easy. Look 3 is for like that, what she's doing. So you start with the thing at the base of your head again, around the front part, join together, move to the back, whatever she's doing, copy her what she's doing. Yes, then put one here and one there. Yes, like that. And then you can do this as a new Rasta girl. Okay, look 4. So this is pretty interesting. I don't know what she's doing, but you have like 2 edges or whatever, and then you just like tie it at the top. This is really easy. I think I can do this. So yes, just tie it at the top like that. It's not hard at all. It's really simple, yeah girl, yes. All right, look 5 is just let down your entire hair, your braids or your wig or whatever, and then you just measure this thing and roll it like your life depends on it. Roll it again and roll it into a bun. Yes, and that is the finishing product, and that is look 5. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.